There have been reports from Windows 10 users experiencing slow or sluggish response time on their computer caused by 100% disk usage. You can easily tell when the disk utilization is already 100% at the Task Manager's Processes and Performance tab. For today's video, let us talk about how to fix 100% disk usage space on your Windows 10 PC. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. Solution 1. Restart. To start addressing the 100% disk usage issue on your Windows 10 computer, the first step is to reboot your computer. This will refresh the operating system, and often a simple restart is sufficient to resolve most computer problems, including this one. To do this, press Windows button located at the lower left, then click on the power button. Then choose Restart. Computer will now restart. After computer completely restarts, check if the 100% disk usage on Task Manager still occurs. Solution 2. Update Windows. An outdated operating system is often the cause of various issues on your computer. Ensure operating system is current and the latest. Check if there is an available update and install them if there are any. To do this, press Windows key. Click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. On Settings window, click Update and Security. Click Windows Update at left pane, then at right pane. Click Check for Updates. Windows will now check for available update. If there are any updates available, download and install the update. Once computer has successfully updated, restart your computer. Solution 3. Disable Windows Search on Windows 8 and Windows 10. A recognized problem can lead to a search loop that causes 100% disk usage. To fix this, consider temporarily disabling Windows search feature to determine if it will resolve the issue. To do this, type Command Prompt at the search bar at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At Command Prompt window, type net.x stop Windows search and press Enter. Windows search will now be disabled temporarily until PC is restarted. If it turns out that Windows search is the culprit, you may need to permanently stop Windows search. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Run Dialog Box. At Run Dialog Box, type services.mc and press Enter or click OK, scroll down and double-click Windows search to open Properties window. Under Startup Type, select Disabled from the drop-down menu. Click Apply to apply changes made. Click OK to exit Properties window. Solution 4. Disable SuperFetch service. This is another problematic feature on Windows 10. You can also disable this service by following the same steps as disabling Windows Search, but using a different command. To disable SuperFetch service, use the command net xstop SuperFetch on your command prompt window. Likewise, to permanently disable the feature, follow the same procedure used to disable Windows Search. Solution 5. Close background applications. If there are too many programs running at the same time, it is likely possible to cause 100% disk use. Although it is easy to remove the apps, there is a slim chance that you can remove all of them because you might actually need them. If you are not using an application running on the background, it would be best to close them to avoid too much usage on your disk. Solution 6. Change energy option from balanced to high performance. There have been reports from users changing the energy settings from balanced to high performance works well with 100% disk usage issues. Try this and check if the issue will be fixed. To do this, type Power Options at the search bar. Click Power and Sleep Settings. Click Additional Power Settings on your preferred plane. Click Change Plan Settings, then click Change Advanced Power Settings on Power Options. Window, choose High Performance from the drop-down menu. Click Apply to apply changes made. Click OK to exit Power Options window, restart computer, and then check if 100% disk usage issue still occurs. Solution 7. Check PC for malware. If your computer is infected with a malware, it is possible to be the cause for disk usage to increase or becomes 100%. If you already have an antivirus software on your computer, it is still best to manually check it now if you are experiencing 100% disk usage. To scan your computer for malware, press Windows key, click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. On Settings window, click Update and Security, then click Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection, click Quick Scan option. Windows will now scan your computer for viruses. And that's it. We hope that this guide has been helpful in fixing 100% disk usage issue on your Windows 10 PC. I hope that this review has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.